Hello friends, welcome to Law and GK. So friends, on this channel we discuss the contents of law and previous year papers of judicial services and other legal exams. And friends, from today's video onwards, we are preparing the video subject wise for the Tamil Nadu Judicial Services and whatever exam papers we have found from 2018 or 2019. For that we are making subject wise videos. And in today's video, we are going to discuss all the questions of Criminal Procedure Code (CRPC) from two papers of Tamil Nadu Judicial Services 2018 and 2019. I hope कि ये videos आपके लिए बड़ी useful रहेंगी. So friends, if you are preparing for judicial services, this channel will be very useful for you. आपके लिए बड़ा ही beneficial रहेगा. And अगर आपको ये video अच्छी लगी हो तो जरूर like कीजिएगा, share कीजिएगा अपने friends के साथ. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. And while subscribing, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our upcoming videos. And अगर आपको हमारे efforts अच्छे लगे हो तो in addition to like and subscribe, kindly give us a super thanks. Super thanks is a way to appreciate the content creator. आप जो भी कंटेंट बनाता है उसको अप्रिशिएट करने के लिए आप जितना भी अमाउंट चाहें डोनेट कर सकते हैं. मिनिमम इज 40 रुपीज़ एंड मैक्सिमम इज रुपीज़ 10,000. सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू गिव अस अ सुपर थैंक्स. Next 31. A person arrested for an offence under Section 324 IPC can be remanded to police custody during the first 15 days of remand. For how many times? Any number of times within those 15 days only, not afterwards. A is the answer. And where this is mentioned, it is mentioned in Section 167 CRPC. Next 32. Inquiry as defined in CRPC is conducted by magistrate or court. C is the answer. With the definition of inquiry, it is in 2G definitions. Next 33. Warrant case includes a case which is not a session case or a case relating to an offence in which court can issue warrant for appearance, or a case relating to an offence punishable with imprisonment exceeding 2 years. C is the answer. Definition is 2X of CRPC. Next 34. A person on bail jumps bail and absconds can be prosecuted afresh only for the offence in which he was on bail or under Section 229A. 229AB is the answer. What is 229A IPC? It is a separate offence for failure by a person released on bail or bond to appear in the court, and the punishment is for 1 year. It's a separate offence. Next 35. Someone to produce a document or other thing under Section 91 can be issued to compel any person excluding the accused या फिर including the accused to produce. Any person excluding the accused to produce. A is the answer. Next 36. In the state of Tamil Nadu under Section 125 CRPC, magistrate can award monthly maintenance of any amount. C is the answer. No limitation even in Tamil Nadu. Next 82. A case diary maintained under Section 172 can be inspected by accused. No, accused cannot inspect. Court, yes, court can inspect. Investigating officer, yes. So D is the answer. B and C. Next 83. In the state of Tamil Nadu, the expression district magistrate means a chief judicial magistrate, a chief metropolitan, or a district collector. District collector. C is the answer. Next 84. A metropolitan magistrate may pass sentence of imprisonment up to 3 years. A is the answer. Section 29 of CRPC provides the same. Next 85. An arrested accused is entitled to have his advocate by side during interrogation, meets his advocate during interrogation. Right to meet his advocate during interrogation and not throughout interrogation. It is mentioned in Section 41D of CRPC. Next 86. Statement of a witness recorded under Section 164 CRPC can be used for only corroborating or contradicting. For both corroborating and contradicting the testimony of witness. C is the answer. Next 99. With which of the following issue did the DK Basu state of West Bengal deals with arrest, safeguard of arrested person. B is the answer. Next 36. When the accused is agreed by the report of clinical psychologist as to his unsoundness of mind, he may prefer an appeal to Medical board. D is the answer. This is a repeated question. And where it is mentioned, it is mentioned in section 329 subsection 1A proviso of CRPC. You can see that over there. Next, 37. The Supreme Court clarified that in case there is a connectivity problem due to geographical location or there is some other unavoidable difficulty, the time for uploading a file can be extended up to 72 hours. B is the answer. So you should mention the case in the comment section. Kindly write it over there. Just go in comment section and mention the case. Next, 30. A statutory bail is granted to an accused under section 167. Which among the following is correct? The prosecution can seek cancellation of bail under 437 only after filing the final report. No, it is wrong. The court has power to cancel bail only when it is granted under 437. Yeah, it is correct. The question of cancellation of bail will not arise when the bail is granted under section 167. No, it can be cancelled on different ground, but not on ground that the final report has been filed. This is incorrect. 2 is correct. 2 alone is correct. See, there are two options now. Statement 1, 2 are incorrect, and statement 2 alone is correct. So both options are correct. B and D both are the answers. Next, 39. 4 accused named in an FIR charge sheet was filed against 3 accused only, and the committal magistrate, after due notice to the de facto complainant, took the charge sheet on the file against 3 accused and committed the case to the Court of Sessions. Session Court took the case on the file against all the 4 accused. Now what can happen? Session Court had no power to take cognizance under section 193. This is wrong. Dharampal versus State of Haryana. Hardeep Singh versus State of Punjab. Very celebrated landmark judgments. You can see that. Session Court can take notice of 4th accused under section 319 only, or not only, 193 as well. Session Court should send the 4th case back to the judicial magistrate. No. Shall direct the investigating officer to file supplementary. No. No need for that. So all are incorrect. B is the answer. The second statement was partially correct, but it can change by the word only. If only is not there, then the second statement is correct. Next is 40. In which of the following situation sanction is necessary for prosecution? A subordinate officer files a private complaint against a superior for an offence under section 354A. No, then sanction is not required. IPS officer files a private complaint against a superior for an offence under 376. Not required. Government doctor is accused of negligently performing a surgery, then require. SP jail does not release accused even after bail bond is produced. Accused files a private complaint 342, then require. So in 3-4 it is require, 1-2 not required. So B is the answer. Next question number 41. Illustration 1 is offences under section 294B and 324. 24B is obscene act, singing and using vulgar language in public, and 324 is grievous hurt with dangerous weapons. Took place on 1/1/16. Complainant filed a complaint in respect of the said offences before the magistrate, and the same was referred to the police under section 156(3). The police filed a final report on. Yes, all right. Next 2 is offences under the same. Took place on 1/1/6. Complainant filed immediately after the occurrence before the police on the same day. Means FIR has been filed. Police filed the final report on 10/10/2019. So they are asking in which case cognizance can be taken. In both cases. What type of question is that? D is the answer. Next is 42. To assess the competence of 2.5-year-old child victim of a rape before recording her statement at section 164, which among the following question would be appropriate to test the child's capacity to understand and repose? What does it mean to tell the truth and lie? Why this philosophical question? No, it is not required. Difference between truth and lie? No. Next is, if I tell your mom that you just yelled at me, would that be true or a lie? Yes, it is correct. It can be asked. If you tell your mom that I hit you, would that be truth or a lie? It's correct. So 3 and 4 can be asked. C is the answer. Next, 82. A judicial magistrate court tried an accused for committing an offence under 228 IPC. At the same time, the accused was also tried by the High Court under the Contempt of Court for the same occurrence. Now see, this is a criminal activity and this is a contempt of court. Both can go simultaneously. D is the answer. This is 88. A stepmother can claim maintenance under section 125 from her stepson, provided she is childless and widow. Yes, it is correct. Then she is childless and husband is incapable of supporting and maintaining her, provided her husband is capable of supporting. No, this is wrong. So A and B both are true. D is the answer. Next 89. Under section 53 CRPC, which of the following statement is correct? Statement: only at the instance of police officer not below the rank of sub-inspector, medical examination of the accused can be ordered. Yes, it is correct. Victim de facto complainant can also seek medical examination of the accused through an order of the court. Yes, it is correct. Court can suo motu order medical. Yes, it is correct. All are correct. A is the answer. Next is 90. Which in the following is not true with respect to the information to police? Statement 1 is the report must be given by a person who has personal knowledge of the incident. No, it is not required. If say somebody has given information to him, it could be hearsay information, but if it is regarding a cognizable offense, then he can file an FIR. The informant need not be an eyewitness in the incident. Yet it is correct. FIR can be used to corroborate and contradict the maker. Yes, it is correct. So 2 and 3 are correct. Not true is asked here. So statement 1 is the answer. Next is 91. Which of the following circumstances attract 195(1)(b)(2) of CRPC? That is prosecution for contempt of lawful authority of public servant. So plaintiff produced a forged will and suit claimed was negatived. No, not in this. Defendant while pursuing court record made alteration in promissory note. Yes, it is correct because it is for contempt of public authority. Next 3. Petitioner filed forged rent receipt. No, it is not. When some court record has been tampered, that is contempt of lawful authority. C is the answer, second situation only. Next 92. Whom among the following are persons aggrieved are entitled to prosecute for offence punishable under chapter 21 of IPC? Now you understand what is chapter 21 under IPC. That is defamation. Defamation alleging unchastity of a wife suspended from service on the said allegation. Her husband has filed a complaint as aggrieved person. No, because she was suspended from service, so she can file newspaper article published against husband's laches in official work. Again, official work only he can file. Where defamation is made against the office bearer association, again office, then whoever in the office only he can file. So none of the person mentioned aggrieved in the illustrations. B is the answer. Next 93. Station 1. In a case and counter, one case comes to the magistrate by way of a private complaint while the other case goes to the police. The magistrate was informed that counter case is pending investigation before the police. Okay. In case and counter, one case comes to the magistrate by way of complaint. Complaint involves offence triable by court of session while the other case goes to the police. The magistrate was informed that counter case is pending for investigation. Labour Office files private complaint before judicial magistrate. In which of the following session inquiry under section 202 can be ordered by the judicial magistrate? In one only. B is the answer. B is the answer. Next 94. After preliminary assessment of a juvenile in conflict with law, Juvenile Justice Board referred the case to Children Court for trying a heinous offence. The Children Court remanded the case back to Juvenile Justice Board for proceeding against the juvenile. Now statement 1. The Children Court cannot remand back the case if it can remand, shunting the juvenile back and forth between forums, violating the right of the juvenile. Children Court cannot remand the back. So in these two statements, only one can be correct because both are contradictory. So 1 is correct, then 3 is correct. A is the answer. Next 95. An accused was tried for triple murder and sentenced for life imprisonment. The conviction was confirmed by Supreme Court. After serving substantial years in the prison, the convict filed petition before Judicial Magistrate Court raising the plea of juvenility. Which of the following is correct? The petition before is maintainable. Yes, it is maintainable. A is the answer. So friends, here we have discussed all the questions of Criminal Procedure Code (CRPC) from 2 papers of Tamil Nadu Judicial Services 2018 and 2019. अगर आपको इसमें कोई कमी लगी हो, कोई सजेशन हो, कोई एडवाइस हो, कोई कमेंट्स हो, तो आप जो है कमेंट सेक्शन में जाकर भी लिख सकते हैं. वी ऑलवेज अप्रिशिएट योर कमेंट्स। एंड अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी और एफर्ट्स हमारे अच्छे लगे हो तो उसको जरूर लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, सो दैट दे कैन कम टू नो अबाउट आवर चैनल एंड वो भी बेनिफिट ले सकें। एंड अगर आपको हमारे एफर्ट्स अच्छे लगे हो तो इन एडिशन टू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब काइंडली गिव अस अ सुपर थैंक्स। सुपर थैंक्स इज अ वे टू अप्रिशिएट द कंटेंट क्रिएटर। आप जो है जो भी कंटेंट बनाता है उसको अप्रिशिएट करने के लिए कोई भी अमाउंट जो है डोनेट कर सकते हैं, फ्रॉम मिनिमम स्टार्ट्स विद 40 रुपीज़ एंड मैक्सिमम टू 10,000 रुपीज़। तो काइंडली गिव अस अ सुपर थैंक्स। So friends, thanks very much for watching this video. Thank you.